Hello everyone, my name is Cooper. This is my Module 6 discussion on my proposal presentation. So recently I read an article about an AI law company called Do Not Pay, which offered anyone $1 million to get someone to wear AirPods while they're in their Supreme Court trial and basically have their robot lawyer defend them through the AirPods. So they would say anything that the AirPods would say. So me personally, I am in my currently in my third year of law. I've always been interested in this career field, and also I spent a really long time just playing with all the different AI programs, so I really know how powerful they are and what they're really capable of. AI is really rapidly taking a front sheet approach to all aspects of our lives. It's being introduced to all different job fields right now, including the field of law. Um, and so I think it is necessary for lawyers to understand what AI is and is not capable of. While it allows lawyers more time to focus, I think in the long run there is a good chance that AI could replace lawyers for good. Therefore, my research question is, how will the increasing integration of artificial intelligence in the legal profession impact the day-to-day life of legal professionals? So in this presentation, I'll explain why this research report topic will be useful for me and how we'll complete the analytical report. So I currently haven't even started my field of law. I'm still in school, obviously. I have a lot more years of school to go, so I'm really trying to figure out if this is the right decision for me or if I should pick another field that, is not going to be taken over by AI. So it's really, this project's going to really make me look at the inner workings of a court and research all the ways that AI could affect these different aspects of the court. It's also going to teach me the skills that I'll really need to be an effective lawyer, and the skills that I won't really need because, AI is going to be able to do all these things. But for example, the case that I just talked about before, where the guy offered $1 million for anyone to use their program, he actually got shut down with a bunch of jail threats from basically every different bar association. So maybe AI doesn't have a place in law, but that's up to see. So this project will help me understand how AI has been introduced in the field and how it is already changing the landscape of law. Second main point, it's important to me to understand how AI will affect. So next I'm going to go into how specific programs are being used now in the courts. So the Center of Public Impact explains there are a whole bunch of different uses for AI. At a basic level, that it can, go through massive volumes of information and identify patterns. At a more advanced level, there are softwares where facts are undisputed, the law is clear, and well-established precedents exist, that AI software can diagnose the situation and produce a draft judgment for the judge to review. I also found a really interesting article where two professors and two lawyers talk about the introduction of AI into law and where it has a place. That's going to be a really good article for me to use during this. And so it's really smart for me to go. I'm unsure if it was smart for me to go into this field because there are countless different ways AI has been used. And I'm going to interview someone to make sure who has a lot of experience in this field and really ask them what they think. So I am planning on interviewing my cousin. He's a lawyer. He graduated school 6 years ago. He's been in the field of law for 6 years. He's really, been there while AI has been introduced into the field of law. And from what I've been talking to him, he has a lot to say about this. And he's done a lot of research into AI and law because he thinks that it could actually help in some ways. And I'm going to interview him in March, or in a couple days actually, via Zoom meeting. So this project will allow me to explore how much I will enjoy law and if it's really what's right for me, and how law will be affected over the coming years, and if it's going to affect, if I can get a job or not. And additionally, this project meets all the project requirements that I needed. So altogether, this information will allow me to analyze the research question of how the increasing integration of artificial intelligence in the legal profession will impact the roles and responsibilities of legal professionals. So in the end, this project will allow me to understand what's going on through undergraduate and law school, and I want to know if it's worth it in the end, if I'm, wasting all my money and time and I should be doing something else, or if in reality, while AI is a helpful tool, it can never really replace lawyers in the field of law in general. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.